KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
It was a great day for a Zoom meeting. The perfect internet connection, warm cocoa, and comfy clothes.
Good morning, team, and welcome to our weekly meeting. I need everybody to turn on the cameras. Come on, guys, don't be shy. We miss all your faces. Come on, Hannah. Kevin, turn on your camera. Come on, Hannah.
Good morning, guys. I don't know how you guys do these meetings so early. I am so tired right now.
Good morning, Nicole. I assume that you prepared for this week's meeting.
Quiet. Hey guys, by the way, I'm selling some dogs.
I don't think this is the right time, Hannah. I need the sales report this week. Please mute yourself and have no interruptions. Veronica, please resend the report.
Here's the mute button.
The button is on the bottom. Just please press on the mute. You got it. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, like I'm in a meeting right now and everything is so messed up. Like I don't even know what I'm doing. Nothing is prepped. And quite honestly, I'm about to just leave the meeting. Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. I had like an important business call to pick up. My bad. I'm so sorry.
Guys, we have a lot of work to do and we're falling behind today on today's meeting. Kevin.
Sorry, I'm sorry, guys.
Are you starting a fire? What's going on? Look behind you. Look behind you. Get a fire extinguisher.
Oh, fire. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Fire department now. It's fine.
From the sales report, it's clear that the numbers are increasing.
What, Anthony? What are you saying?
From the sales report, it's clear that the numbers have
Hey
been...
guys, I think we should just reschedule this meeting.
This meeting is absolutely ridiculous. We need a solution, fast.
Like a lot of video conferencing calls nowadays, this one had its problems. Other than your typical work-from-home distractions and mishaps, the terrible audio and video streaming quality played a huge role in preventing any real progress from being made during this meeting. It wouldn't have had they used KeyDigital KD Cam USB and KeyDigital Presentation Solutions. KeyDigital can make your disastrous meetings run smoothly and not waste anyone's time. KeyDigital does it all. With the push of a few buttons, you could have your meetings back on track. Here at KeyDigital, we provide the best solutions for you. We dive deep for a complete understanding of your objectives, existing infrastructure, and your business needs. For more information, head to www.keydigital.com and email sales@keydigital.com.